everyone, welcome to another video. My name is your boy Lamakon here. Once again, today it's another keycap reveal. This time from this artist. Now, as you may know, I'm still trying to collect and create a koi fish friendly environment to bring me the riches of this art. I'm just exaggerating, but let's see what we have here, shall we? Oh, come on, that makes it easy. Oh, there we go. The moment of truth. And once again, guys, if you guys like these kinds of videos, please like and subscribe and support my channel, please, and thank you. And voila. Ooh. Maybe there's not a mistake, but it is indeed a weird keycap placement given there's 3 holes in here. But let's check this guy out. Voila. Wow. Wow. Certainly very different. Not what I was expecting. I was expecting a little bit brighter colors, but I like the tone of it actually. I like the tone. Maybe a little overdressed with the colors, but I like the darkness. I like the purple accents or pinkish accents. It is a cherry profile. This is meant to replace my tab keys or anything. Why am I shaking so much? Anyways, yeah, it's beautiful, you know. I wish you could customize the koi fish. I think I already have this type of koi fish in my collection currently. However, you know what? It looks great. It looks nice. Thank you so much. I'll definitely be using it. And you can definitely tell a little the dust is still remaining here. So I might have to clean it up a little bit to make sure it fits. But besides that, yeah, it's acrylic-ish. It feels very... I don't know. It feels interesting. I don't know. I just need to see how it feels with the tab. But yeah, this is again a cherry profile, if I'm not mistaken, or OEM. Similar cases there. I really appreciate it. It looks beautiful. You really see the koi fish tiny little eyes. How adorable is that? How adorable. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much. And enjoy. See you guys next time. Cheers.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?